Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a lovely hairstyle that's ideal for Navratri or any other festival. Let's begin. Start by taking a small front section of hair from your hairline, divide it into 3 equal strands and clip them aside using a sectional clip. We'll come back to this in a moment. Take a small section just behind the clipped hair. Secure a decorative thread to this section. Choose a vibrant color that matches or contrasts with your outfit. Now, unclip the front section with the 3 strands. It's time to start braiding. You're going to create a 4-strand braid. You have 3 hair strands and 1 thread. Use the thread as the second strand from the left. Begin the braid using a down, up, down pattern starting from the left side. Take the first, that is the leftmost strand, and pass it under the second, that is the thread, then over the third strand, and finally under the fourth strand. Repeat this sequence, adjusting as needed to keep the thread visible and neat. Continue braiding all the way down and secure the end with a small elastic. You can either leave this braid on one side for a stylish asymmetrical look or repeat the same steps on the other side for a more symmetrical traditional style. Loved this festive look? Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more fun and creative hairstyle ideas. Wishing you all a joyful and colorful Navratri.